entrepreneurs, I'm Jenny with JenLynn Stock Shop, and I'm here to help you use our mock-ups and sell your stuff. A select few of our mock-ups have this feature that allows you to move the baby around to complement the design on the blanket. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. When you first open most of our files, it's going to look like this. You're going to have a white square, and this layer just needs to be turned off. So you click the eyeball. Now you can see your image. Now I have two folders. One's a static baby and one's a movable baby. And for this video, you don't need the static baby, so you can hide that folder. And here is our beautiful little baby. And you're going to want to move the baby with the hat and the swaddle. If you see, if I click on the layer that says movable baby, and then I select it by touching Command T, I can move the baby, right? But look, the smart object does not go with it. So you're gonna have the hat and the blanket not following the baby. So what I suggest is when you go to move the baby, you have to click on the movable baby layer, hold down Shift and click on hat, and hold down Shift and click on swaddle. Now you can see each layer is highlighted. So when you go to press Command T, it's going to select all of those layers, and you can move the baby. You can make it smaller. You can resize them if you want them smaller. You can make them bigger. And then once you're done, you press return or enter, and then the baby is in its new spot. And that is how you move the baby around.